LA Custom just finished this modern design 13-foot rectangular shaped island with Catacatta countertop and smooth gray stucco finish. We installed all Delta Heat product, including this 38-inch grill, Delta Heat's new 24-inch power burner, along with a few of our other special features, such as a tilt-out outlet and our new 3rd generation phone charger power outlet. Great for evening entertaining.
To see other completed projects, visit our Grill Island gallery at www.lagrillislands.com. Or call us today at 626-628-7405 for a free estimate.